show you guys the most effective way to set up the sweatshop. It's producing so much bud that I don't even know what the fuck to do, man. And we're going to be collecting all the dealer money today, over $100,000. Look, 33,000, 33,000, 36,000, 34,000, and almost 50 grand, and they're still stocked with everything, guys. This is the way. So, you're at the sweatshop, right? You're at the sweatshop. Alright, let's get sweaty. We got one worker here. He is a botanist. And to set him up, you're going to go to him and click this button here, and he manages all of these pots here. All 8. He could do 8 at a time. You're going to want to get 8 of these pots. Or you can get the grow tent if you're not at this level yet, but then you get the 8 suspension racks and then the 8 grow lights. Okay, so after you get all that stuff, you could have more shelves over here, but I just have this one. This is his supply shelf, so you're going to have the seeds and the soil. So you'd have seed, 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 soil, 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 soil. It's running low on mine because he is producing a fuck ton. So then you select, when you select this guy as, you know, the clipboard, and you see supplies and it says large storage rack, that is this rack here. That is this rack here. Now he will take this, whatever's on this rack, therefore the soil and the seed, and he will plant and do everything with the plants. He will harvest, he will do everything. He will also, if I click manage pot, you select the destination. You know, I don't use any fertilizers at the moment, but you select the destination, so you go to each pot, manage each pot, and select the destination to right here. And then he puts it all right here. And then I have extra back here because he is just overproducing. 2 more right here, that's the finished product. So then what I do is, when he puts it on this shelf here, I then grab it, so it's in my inventory, and we come over here, and this is where we will place it, right here, and we're going to mix it with the mega bean. And when we mix it, it's going to take a minute. Let's put this back over here. So after this mixes, so I keep this stocked with Mega Bean, and then the right side stocked with Viagra. And the total mix makes a product that is $83, and I sold for $130. Here's another order coming in. That is the cocaine farm. I'll accept that. Okay. So again, you're gonna get one botanist that you get at the warehouse thing over there, where you buy all the suspension rats and pots. Okay, get the long life soil, you're gonna need it. And then green crack seeds, highly addictive, which is why I use it, and they're not the expensive ones, and long lasting soil. 2 shelves. Okay, so after you mix the green crack, you know, which I grabbed from right there, that shelf, green crack mixed with the mega bean, this is what you get right here. So we're going to take that product, which is right here, the one that we just mixed, and mix it with the Viagra here. And that is the final mix. And then when that comes up, I like to stash them over here. So there's 2 of those, and then I'll pull this out. While this is mixing, I will then set up another one, because I am going to mix another one. So you're going to grab the green crack. You're going to come over here. You're going to grab the mega bean. And we're going to wait and see. He's harvesting right now, and he just replaced the one that I put over here. And now he's grabbing the seeds, and he's replanting that one because there's not enough room over here. So we're gonna go like this. I'm gonna pull all these, and we are gonna move them to this back shelf here, so my guy could harvest more product. And I have an extra shelf here, so I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna take these back because that is what I used to deal. And look at that, strawberry Urkel, and then it's already set up. The green crack and the bean. Pick that. Grab a Viagra. Set it on the counter. When this is done mixing, add it to your inventory. Boom, product. And if you look on the left side of my screen, all my deals, you know, the strawberry Urkel is what I'm making here. So I have 7, 10, 13, you know, so, and you don't need to package them anymore. So guys, really take advantage of not packaging. It's an extra step that you don't need. Normally I would have another shelf here. This would all be shelves with, you know, jars and baggies. But, you know, without having to, you know, use packaging, it's so much easier to, you know, deal out, and it's so much less time that you have to do stupid shit. Look at him, he's stocking that shit up. So again, the green crack with the mega bean is this. This comes out. We're gonna mix it with the Viagra. Boom. And now, you know, I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna grab another one, and we're gonna put it here with the mega bean. So again, guys, it's just repeating the process. Like, you guys could do this. This is what you're gonna do the first, you know, once you only have this apartment and the sweatshop. This is the best way to do this. I would get more of these shelves, maybe get rid of this lamp and put another shelf there, or you can get rid of this packaging station and put shelves here, so then when this product comes off, you could just put it right here, you know, and stash it. But let's do this one more time. So mixing is in progress. Boom, that is the final product. And now we get the green crack and the mega bean, and we press mix. So now I walk over here, and I'm gonna put the finished product. I'll keep the 18 on me, and I'll take this green crack back and I'll put it over here. So now this is mixing, and you grab the Viagra. Oh, let's grab a full one. You know, and then you just have to run to the gas station and buy more Viagra and more Mega Bean and run back here and just keep repeating this process. And, you know, if you do that, this is the best method for the sweatshop. I mean, you know, I use this just for, you know, my personal deals on the left hand side here, 20, 40, 60, 80, like 100, 20, 40, like, dude, there's so much, and it's an abundance. It's really an abundance, man. So you take that and you mix it with the Viagra, and boom, final product. And look at all that. Look at all that. You will overproduce the weed. Trust me, guys. Trust me. And then there will be trash everywhere because it works. Like, look at all this trash. I am lazy, out of sight, out of mind. But look how much shit this guy goes through, dude. Insane. Copy this method for the sweatshop. It is, you know, you can move around easily. Everything's sold. And like I said, the product is, you could put it $130. It normally costs $83. And people are spending, let's see, like, okay, that one's the cocaine, that one's the meth, look, $470 for 3, 7 for 1,000 like this guy. Like, it's a good method, guys. I highly advise you to look. I got another one to copy this, and I'm running out of storage over here, so it's like copy this method.